Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you guys how you can use the strategy we call sliding on averages. It's very simple and it's easy to understand. It works with two lines, yellow and blue line. For you to go down, in this video we'll be showing you guys how you can go down, how you can place trades going downward, while in the next video we'll show you guys how you can place trades going upward. The logic is simple. The yellow line will be on the top while the blue line will be on the bottom. Once the yellow line cut across the blue line there and there's an interception, you can take a trade going down briefly for just 2 minutes. As you can see, there has to be an interception. The yellow line must be on the top while the blue line must be on the bottom. Once they intersect successfully, you can start taking trade for downward 2 minutes. Also, you want to take note of the RSI also on the bottom. The RSI must indicate that the market is falling downward. With these two things in mind, you are good and ready to go. So let's go and take trade on the live market. So this market has intercepted. You can see the yellow line has cut across the blue line there, showing us a clear signal to go down. Now let's go back and see how the market was before this interception. Now this is the market before the interception. You can see the yellow line cut across the blue line going downward. So ensure that before you take a trade, your chart frame is 1 minute, your trade duration is 2 minutes, and your money is set to the desired amount. Now let's take a trade quickly. We'll take one trade. After that interception, you can see we are now going down for 2 minutes. We may add more trades, and because of the direction of the market, we may add another one just briefly for 1 minute. Just let's see if we can make a quick profit between 2 minutes and the 1 minute trade duration. So let's wait and let's see how far it goes. We'll speed up the process so that you guys can see the results at the end of all these trades. So let's speed up the video and let's see how the result will be in the next 1 to 2 minutes time. As you can see, we're already in profits using this sliding on averages strategy. So put these points in your mind. Ensure the yellow line is on the top and the blue line is on the bottom. Your chart frame should be 1 minute and your trade duration should be 2 minutes. After the interception, before you take a trade, signaling you to go down. Now in the next video, we'll be showing you guys when to go up. So till then, take care, stay safe, and keep practicing on demo before you go to your live account.